Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to another vlog, and this vlog may very well turn into a delivery vlog. So I don't know when I'll be able to post this or you guys will see this, but this mama is ready to go to the hospital. Wait, where are you? Oh, there. So we are heading to the hospital right now, but before that we have to run a quick errand. And then Nitish came and he already took Marvel, so that's been taken care of. And we went to her regular checkup this morning. Her blood pressure was high. It's called transient hypertension or something that may happen. It's a very common thing because she's like only 4 days away from her due date. So they recommend you just deliver instead of waiting. So I guess that's what we are doing. We're going to the hospital. You ready, Mama?
Yep. I think this is the last time we both are.
Yes. From next time we'll have our little baby. All right. So I'll keep you guys posted for now. Let's go. We are here at the hospital and they have zero video policy until the baby comes, so I may not be able to shoot a lot once we are inside, but I will do whatever I can. So stay tuned. Let's see how all this goes for us. For now, we are back in the same room like we were on Tuesday because they're gonna run some tests and verify a few things before they induce her or whatever. So we are in the same room. She's just changing into the hospital gown and that's it. Okay, quick room tour. We are moved to the labor and delivery room. This is the entrance behind the curtain. This is the machines and everything. This is where Tanya is gonna be. And then that's my area. That's my lay down chair and a couch. And there she is getting ready for delivery. She has her own TV. I have my own lounging area here with the TV. And that's where I can sit and relax. It's like a recliner, so I can lie down by her side. This is like a bathroom area, and once the baby is born they will move this to the mom, and we can have the baby in our room. And they have tub, and they have the shower here, toiletries, toilet and everything. So basically I guess it's all starting. They're gonna do COVID test for Tanya, and then they're gonna start the process for induction labor and everything that's gonna go. But luckily she can eat today and stuff, so I'll figure out once she's all settled in, and I'll keep you guys posted. How are you feeling?
Cold.
Yeah, she just increased the temperature to 68. It was like 16 here. Somebody's gonna come and do the COVID test.
No?
You are gonna get the band. I'll get the band after the baby is born.
Okay.
Yeah, so they are gonna come in a few minutes and do it. Okay, so she's done with the COVID test and she's lying down here, and they are monitoring the baby, and her contractions are 5 minutes apart. So she's doing great. And good thing I think she's they are checking if she can eat right now because her labor has not yet started, and they have put in a diet. Well, she's the queen, of course, so she's gonna get her food and stuff, and I'll keep you guys posted while I search and hunt for food.
No, there's a cafeteria downstairs. You can go and get the food. The cafeteria is like so good. You get frappes and lattes and other stuff.
Trust me, it's all about coffee for next 3 days for me. So that's all I'm gonna need. But yes, she's doing great, and I'll keep you guys posted. Well, she just got hooked with the coolest thing ever. So I have never seen that they put this IV thingy in here. Initially, like back in the days, they used to put, and the needle is inside you, but the needle is not inside her hand. It's thinner than the needle. There's this plastic tube that defined the spot. She like demonstrated to us, and it was so cool for me. And excuse me if I'm getting excited for these things, but yes, we were both very excited. And she showed us like how they put the needle in and then pull the needle out, but the plastic tube is inside, so she can just use her hand as she would normally. Like there's no needle in there. So that is like coolest thing here. But like she's being plugged in. The nurse explained everything to her. And all right, well, I'm back. Sorry, I had to go real quick. She was giving me a tour of the coach's corner. I'm her coach. So they have like coffee, tea, everything, and then cereals and
Okay.
all those kind of things. So if you want anything, I can just grab little Sprite, Coke, all that. So a lot of caffeine options there, creamer and everything if you want. Anything decaf there, I have decaf. So if you want coffee. So yeah, but anyways, it's gonna be a long ride here. So don't expect baby coming out today. So we are in for a long ride. This is day 1 of us in the hospital. I'm gonna break this vlog in a way so you can actually see and we can give you most content. So right now, that's it. She's well settled in here. There are a couple of things that I have to do is go get my hospital bags from the car and everything.
Fill the form.
Fill some forms. So I'm gonna go and do all of that stuff and probably finish this vlog here and then start a new one once we have more updates. So thank you guys for watching this and stay tuned as her labor progress.
Yep.
So bye.